Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install the K&N Air Filter on TVS Apache RTR 180. So let's begin the installation. First of all, you need to remove the screw of left side door. And then, take out the door and keep aside safely. Then unscrew the petrol tank screw with 14 mm flat wrench and keep aside. And then, unlace the both tank covers thread. Now, switch off the tank lever by just keeping it horizontal. Then remove the petrol pipe. Now, unscrew the both screws, as shown in the video. Then, unscrew the carburetor's clamp. Then, pull the small clamp and the tension spring, using the cutting plier, which are mounted on the small pipes. And take out the both small pipes from the air filter, as shown in the video. Now, take out the whole air filter, slowly and carefully, without making any damage. Make sure that the air filter pipe is out from the carburetor. Then, remove the electronic unit out from the air filter. Then, store the air filter at any dry place. Now, grab the sponge and hold it around the carburetor's hole. Now, place the K&N Air Filter carefully up on the sponge along with the clamp. Now, tighten the clamp screw and make sure that the air filter is perfectly fitted to the carburetor. Now, take a piece of sponge and net cloth and place it to the mouth of small pipe. And tie it around with tags. Do the same for the other small pipe tube. Now, tie the both small pipes with a tag to any stationary part. Cut the excessive tag if required. Now, take a big tag, or tie two tags each other, like shown in video. Grab the electronic unit and tie it to the frame pipe. Now tighten the both screws on its place or either keep it safely. Now, tighten the screw of tank. After that, tie the tank covers thread. Finally, assemble the door back to its place carefully and tighten the screw. For more performance, upgrade the pilot jet and main jet to the upper number in carburetor. Now, fix the petrol pipe to the tank lever. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe.